he was too blessed to not give. Because in blessing yakhe yayingaxhomekekanga ku-Isaac. Abraham was blessed before Isaac was even born. He understood that u-Isaac ufike sendifikelelekile. And after Abraham gave Isaac, he's the father of nations. Meaning, there's a name that we are given when we are allowed to let go of what we think we need. Ikhona igama alifumanayo, awunikela le kucinga yeyona nto obizwa ngayo.